I'm Ryan with Nelson Northwest, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how to assemble a BW Controls wire suspension electrode. BW Controls has a number of different wire suspension electrode types. There's a larger 6013W2 and a smaller 6013W6, but they both assemble in the same way. In order to do this, I'm going to need a wire crimper. We typically use a T&B stay-on type with the bumps inside. I'm also going to need a wire stripper and a slotted screwdriver. So in our wire suspension electrode kit, we have a shield, the electrode, a neoprene packing, and a wire terminal. First, I'm going to take my 6013 SW suspension wire and slide the shield over the wire. Then I'm going to slide the packing over the wire. Next, I'm going to strip the wire back. This is an 18 gauge wire. Now I'll put the terminal over the wire and crimp it securely. Now I can slide the wire back into the housing, screw the electrode into the housing, and tighten it. Now we have a wire suspension electrode that's ready to install.